How to add phone number to your Snapchat account. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to easily add phone number on your Snapchat account. So first thing first, you're going to have to open up your Snapchat. Once you open up the application, just head over to your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you load up your profile, you're going to have to access settings by heading over to the top right where you see the gear icon. And then right below your name and username, you'll have your birthday and then your mobile number. So if you haven't added a mobile number yet, you can just tap on it and then enter your phone number. So once you've entered your phone number, if you want to let other people find you using your mobile number, you can check this box. If not, just go ahead and turn it off and then click on verify. If your phone number is valid, it will send you an OTP or a code on your SMS. Just enter that code and verify it, and you should be able to add your phone number. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.